Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore how to download YouTube videos on an Android phone. So let's get into it. Firstly, navigate to the YouTube app on your mobile screen and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, find any video according to your interest that you want to download. Let's suppose I want to download this video, so simply click on the video to open it. Once the video opens up on the screen, play it, and you will see a menu bar in the middle of the screen. Swipe it to the left side to find the download option. Here it is. To download the video, simply tap on it. A new menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen where you can choose the video quality to save it. You can download the video in high quality if you are using the premium version of YouTube. Checkmark this box to remember settings for 30 days, or if you want to select a different quality video every time. Then uncheck this box. Once you are done, tap on the download button. The downloading will start. Let's go back to see where it is downloading. From the right bottom, tap on your profile icon. On this page, scroll down, and here is the download option. Tap on it, and you will see the list of videos that you have downloaded. Now, you can watch these videos while you are offline. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.